Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's have a chat about carousel posts today. Specifically, I'd like to show you how to put a deleted slide back into your carousel. Recently, I published a video that talked about a new update from Instagram. The platform now allows you to delete one or more slides from a carousel post without having to delete the entire post, and I showed you how to do it, step by step. In this video, I'm going to show you how to undo the single slide deletion. If you have accidentally deleted the wrong slide, or you've changed your mind over the deletion of that slide, you can put it back. But, you can only put it back for 30 days after you deleted it. If you wait any longer than that, the deleted post cannot be recovered. It will be permanently deleted. You will have no way of getting it back. Let's take a closer look. Start on your profile and look for the three-lined hamburger menu. You'll want the top option, called Settings. Your screen may look a little different if you're using a different operating system. Next, hit Account. On this screen, you'll want to scroll down until you get to the bottom. There's a section there called Recently Deleted. On this screen, you will find all of the posts that you have deleted, but they will only stay there for 30 days maximum. After 30 days, they will be gone. You will be completely unable to get them back. Pay attention to what it says on the top of this screen. You will not be able to restore them after 30 days. Only you can see these posts. The app tells you how long you have left until the post will be permanently deleted. I have just deleted this post here, so I still have 30 days until it is deleted. For the next 30 days, I can still change my mind and put it back in the carousel it was previously deleted from. I want to put this slide back in the carousel I deleted it from, so I'm going to tap on it. Look for the three little dots and tap on that next. Two options will pop up at the bottom. You can delete the post, which means that you'll be speeding up that 30-day process I mentioned a moment ago. If you delete it from the recently deleted section of Instagram, you will not be able to restore it again. Only hit the delete button if you are 100% sure you won't ever need the post again. The second option you have is called Restore. This is what you'll want to tap to put the slide back into the original carousel post. It'll ask you to confirm next, with another pop-up. If you originally deleted it from your profile grid, people will be able to see and interact with it again when you restore it. If you deleted it from your archive, it will only be restored to your archive. Hit Restore if you definitely want to restore the post. You'll get a little loading screen for a few seconds. Once you restore it, the post will disappear from the recently deleted section of Instagram. If we now go back to the original carousel post that we deleted it from, we can see that the third slide is now back in its place. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.